In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to frames in Canva. If you're looking to elevate your designs with a polished and personalized touch, this tutorial is just for you. Using Canva, you can effortlessly incorporate photos into frames to create visually appealing graphics, whether for personal projects or professional presentations. Now, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Once there, log into your account. If you haven't created a Canva account yet, you can do so by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the easy prompts. Once you're logged in, you have the choice to either open an existing design or start on a fresh canvas by clicking on Create a Design. This flexibility lets you incorporate frames into any project, new or ongoing. Now that you have your design workspace open, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find a series of design tools, and you'll want to click on Elements. The Elements section is a treasure trove of design features, offering everything from shapes and lines to stickers. But for today, we are focusing on frames, so go ahead and scroll down or use the search bar until you spot Frames. Once you've clicked on Frames, you'll see a variety of options laid out in front of you. To explore the full selection of frames, you can click See All. This is a great way to browse and find the exact frame style that matches your project's aesthetic, from simple circles and squares to intricate shapes and patterns. Click on the frame you like, or if you prefer, you can drag it directly onto your canvas from the menu. With your chosen frame now on the canvas, you can adjust it to suit your needs. Click and drag on the corners or sides of the frame to resize it. You can also reposition it by clicking on the frame and moving it to the desired spot on your canvas. This step allows you to play around and find the perfect placement. The next step involves adding your photo. Head back to the left side panel and click on Uploads. This section allows you to upload images from your computer or choose from previously uploaded photos. If this is your first time, select Upload Files and choose the image you wish to use. Once uploaded, take your photo and drag it over to the frame on your canvas. As soon as you release the mouse, the photo should automatically snap into the frame, perfectly adjusting to fit within its borders. And there you have it. You've successfully added a photo to a frame in Canva. This simple yet effective technique is perfect for creating standout designs, all while maintaining an easy and user-friendly process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.